Okay, so we've been on this job for about a year, and there's this room that has all these windows, and I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of how gross these windows are, and it's been bothering me forever. And I finally am starting to work inside that room that I'm pointing to. So I'm gonna address these windows. So because it looks like it's stained or some old gunky, sticky something, I started with denatured alcohol. So watch this. I'm gonna spray some denatured alcohol. Okay, that's what that is. Right now, you'd think that that would probably do the trick, right? Let's take, taking some of it off. Some of it for sure. I'm gonna have to come back with the window scraper. I don't know what that business all is, but anyway. So let's see, denatured alcohol took off. We can spray it again. Can you see that? Sorry, I'm bouncing all over. I'm on the scaffolding. Can you see that? It'll only take off so much of it, right? Now I'm going to use, my mom turned me on to these things called spiff cloths, and I love them so much I bought, I think, like 10 of them. So I have one here that I just rinsed out, and I've been using it. I mean, you can see it's kind of stained, but I just rinsed it out in clear water. Just water. Now watch this. See all those? Can you see those? I'll go an area where you can see this. Did you see that? Okay, watch this. Denatured alcohol didn't want to take it off. Isn't that awesome? This is just water on the spiff cloth, which I've been using at home on my windows and mirrors. It's unreal. You just use water. And I don't have anything to do with this company. I just wanted to share this with you. Watch it. Can you believe that? It's like stain, or I don't know, it's really sticky. And I will have to go back a second time with a scraper to get little nubbins off. Well, that came right off. And then go over it one more time with this spiff cloth and wet. Just rinsed out with just clean water. And that's all you need. It's like truly is like this miracle cloth. And they're so cheap. Oh my gosh, lifesaver for any kind of a painter or homeowner that you get your windows really clean with just water. No chemicals. Okay.